how are you?
They want to I'm Ntorobia divine. Gadgets. I'm into gadgets and technologies. All the small, both earpiece, phone charger, and every other thing.
You want to video?
I'm going to
Mbitolu, Igbo State. Thank you very much.
Oh, I'm Chino, so Prosper Chino, so I'm Anambra State. It's in Korea. I'm into fashion, sell clothes, both male and female.
You look like it. Thank you very much. Well, if you're not Igbo, that line, that adage simply says, the baby that is backed, or the baby that they back, and they are walking with the baby, doesn't know how far the destination is. Thank you very much. Gentlemen. What's one thing you can say about the Igbo culture that fascinates you that whether it fascinates you or you don't like, or anything, just tell us something about Igbo culture.
I like Igbo culture because my mom is Igbo actually.
You look at that, because that's what I do. Thank you.
She's from Nekede.
Nekede, Igbo State.
Yes.
Nice.
I like Igbo. I think I embrace the Igbo side of my life more.
All right.
Yes, I like the language.
You like the language.
I like my father's people, but Igbo.
There's something about you, Igbo Amaka, my brother. Thank you very much.
Yeah, good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon.
Yeah.
Yes, anything, whether it's
Okay, what I like about
yes, don't say language now because they're taking that one.
Okay, first of all, I like Igbo girls.
Nice one! Oh, someone should clap for this one. He deserves an award. He said he likes Igbo girls. Igbo girls, are you proud? If you like, don't smile. It's on you. Thank you very much. Do you like the Igbo girls?
Yeah.
They're fine, right?
Yes, the yellow one.
No doubt, the yellow one.
Yes.
See there.
Yes, and then I like Igbo food, yeah.
This guy is a wise guy.
Yeah, I like Ofo.
I like that. I prophesy to your life, you marry an Igbo girl.
Amen.
Say amen.
Amen.
Thank you. Please give that man.
Good afternoon.
Baba, how you doing now?
I'm okay.
I celebrate you. Please, for those that do not know, this is a one-time director of social at the University of Calabar.
Thank you very much.
Please, if your hands are not busy, just clap for her. Thank you very much. Baba, how you doing?
I'm very happy.
Oh yeah, tell us something about the Igbo culture that you cherish or you don't like.
Okay, I think what I like about the Igbo culture is I'm a parent too. So what I like about them is they are supposed to each other. They know how to support. They know how to master their own.
Very nice.
Yes.
Very nice. Very nice.
And I also like their girls.
Then look at the like their girls now. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.